Hello and welcome to my first tutorial on PHP for beginners. Now, basically, PHP is server-side programming. It manages login systems. You can basically do things that you can't do in HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. It can be combined with PHP, which is very useful. So the first thing we want to do is we want to start the PHP tags like this. Okay, now basically, that opens PHP and then closes it here. So anything in here will be PHP. So let's just get rid of that a minute. Okay, so type HTML. Now for our first tutorial, let's make a simple thing about getting values. So basically, let's, for example, make a text box and a button. Whatever you type in the text box, it will say your name is, then your name after you click the button. Alright, so let's do alright, so do this. Do P stands for paragraph, I think, I don't know. But I'm kinda like, I don't really like HTML, I just like PHP and Visual Basic, but you know. Alright, so type let's put, no, actually we're gonna make it a bold. Put down your name. Okay, now I don't know what just happened there. What just happened? I just lost the file somehow. Alright, now put input type equals text. Name equals my name. Okay. Now put down BR. That makes a new line. And now put input type equals submit. Name equals, no, sorry, value equals what's my name. Okay, I just coded in PHP then. So, okay, so after we've done that, go up back at the top, and now we want to put form action method equals, and now we want to put no, sorry, we want to put form action. Now we want to do index.php. Now we want to put method equals post. Alright, so now that you've done that, end the HTML tags. And now let's just test that out how it is right now. So hold on. Okay. Alright then, so let's just test that out now. Okay, so you can for this part, you can just save it on your desktop and open it, because we don't really need it. But for the actual PHP, you have to put it on a server, or upload some other place. Alright, so there you go. We're just going to put a little title there to make it look more fancy. Let's put, the name machine. Okay. I want to save that. Refresh. By the way, listening to music really helps you with PHP. Seriously, it works amazingly for me, because it just gets me in the beat, you know? Especially hardcore. Stuff like, you know, DJ music and stuff, you know? Awesome. Now we want to put down, my name. Okay, so put down that. We want to put down inside the PHP brackets, or like inside there, inside the PHP tags. So above this, put my name equals, and now you want to put down this. There you go. So that basically, it attempts to make a value out of the text box name. My name, sorry. So this bit, look, this is where you mustn't get confused. My name bit here, this does not apply to this. All this does is just a value. In fact, I'm going to change that so you don't get confused. We're going to change that to name. Alright, so change that. So this won't affect this. Alright. After you've done that, put, you want to put down, let's see. Alright, you want to put down, if name equals nothing, so put that. Then, don't put then, by the way, I'm talking Visual Basic now. Sorry about that. Now you want to put else there, put like that. I think I got that right. Sometimes I put the brackets the wrong way around by accident. So basically this will basically, it will check for, it'll check if the text box equals nothing. If it equals nothing, it won't do anything. Because we don't want our PHP code scooting, so the moment we go to this page, we don't want it saying your name is and then nothing, because that's stupid. It just say your name is, then it'll just be blank. It'll be pointless and stupid, and you'll look really unprofessional. Not good. So now you want to put down under this else tag here. You want to put down echo. Echo basically executes text on the page. You can actually put HTML in here, by the way. So we're going to do that to make it fancy. We're going to make it bold again. So now let's put echo bold, so the bold tag here, and we're going to put your name is, and then we have to put name then. So just put that like that. So basically this, it'll say your name is, it'll locate the value, which is here, and it will equal it to the text box, which is down here. See where I'm coming from now? Alright, so there we are then. Okay, now that should work, but we want it to be in, no, that'll be fine, And so basically, the form action is what will refresh the page. It'll navigate to this page once the button's clicked. And the post method is from here, and the post is what we put here. So can you see where it's all coming from? So now we want to save that and refresh the page. Alright, we got an error, and that's probably because I put the brackets the wrong way around. Or no, I know what it is actually. So I put the brackets the right way again. It's because we forgot to end it. It's very important to end it, and I do think I put them the wrong way, but if we still get an error, we'll change it. Alright, so we still have an error, so go up to here, and I'll go change them around, so it's like that. Okay, take a look. Alright, can you all see that, look? If name equals nothing, put that bracket there, enter, else, and I'll put in that bracket there, enter that, and put that bracket there. It can be very confusing sometimes. I get them mixed up. Alright, so there you go. No errors now because we didn't get an error. So now we're going to put your name in there. And it'll say your name is Daniel McCarthy. Now, let's make it a little bit fancy. Go back to the HTML part, which is here. We want to put center. And then we want to end it down here. Now basically it'll put all this code into the center of the page. And now we want to put this bit in the center of the page. No, actually I'm going to leave it just to show you what will happen. Okay, so we refresh it, look, it'll do that. It'll say your name is Dan McCarthy, and it'll be all the way over here, and it'll look so stupid. Alright, and we want to put a BR there a few times to make it new lines, to make it look better as well. So we want to center that. Okay, so hope you're all catching up on this. Center.